November 488 Alpha Mike, Roger, sir, proceed direct to ETAC.
Direct to ETAC,
Dick Rochfort here. We're in the climb, 5,380, climbing flight level 190, and we are in visible moisture, and the temperature is between plus 10 and minus 20.
Continue to climb, maintain flight level 230.
And for that reason, we've turned on, in addition to pitot heat,
832, contact Miami Center,
which comes on
2507,
entering the runway environment, and doesn't come off until we leave the runway environment to the taxiway. In addition to that, when the temperature is plus 10 to minus 20, in the presence of visible moisture, we turn on prop heat and stall warning heat. Now then, in that process, we looked outside and we did see a small amount of ice. You could see just beyond the stall strip outside, just outside of the fuel cap, you can see a small amount of ice. And now the question is that trace? It's obviously clear, it's got some run back to it. So we exercised the boots and it didn't really go away. So we reported it as trace clear ice in the climb, 14,000, which is where we first saw them. Temperature minus 3 C.
Papa descend maintain 6,000.
So that's the way that's a required report if you observe ice on your aircraft. Remember, the PA46 was certified for FIKI, flight into known icing, quite some time ago, back in the 80s. And the certification has not been redone, even though the certification requirements have changed over the years. Not to say that the FIKI certification isn't valid, but on a light aircraft like this, anything more than light ice is unacceptable.
And November 488 Alpha Mike, there's scattered area moderate to extreme precipitations at your 12 to 1 o'clock.
The reason that that's so is because moderate ice, by definition, is ice that requires continuous use of the equipment to keep the aircraft ice-free. And that ice-free refers only to the parts of the aircraft where the de-ice and anti-ice equipment is in use. It doesn't include wingtips, antennas, cowlings, spinners, and such. The result is, if you're in moderate ice for any period of time, you're going to suffer a loss of airspeed.
November 917 Romeo Papa, come and maintain flight level 230. That'll be the final.
Clear to 230, 7 Romeo Papa. 2307.
November
recommend switch tanks.
November 673 Papa Papa, contact Palm Beach approach 123.62.
All right, 2362, 673 Papa.
November 1056 Bravo, contact Orlando.
And now ForeFlight has an excellent product on the map, which includes icing and turbulence, whereby you can go to the profile view and see all that. Clearly we have some moisture, excuse the pun, in the area, and so we, expected some light ice, and
November 657 Delta Juliet, Miami Center.
We're getting what we bargained for.
230, 7 Delta Juliet.
November 488 Alpha, my contact Miami Center 119.82.
119.82.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
574, clear direct shadow, cross shadow at 10,000.
Train off.
50 knots.